gon' burn it down, burn it down, burn it down. We gon' burn it down. We gon'.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado,
working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about.
always known to bring its A game, sports giant PUMA is all about setting and smashing goals in its quest to be forever faster. Feeling motivated yet? Well, join the club with the PUMA Provoke XT mid sneakers and bring one of the brand's MVPs to your rotation. Made from a mold? Never. You were born to provoke. Designed for risk takers and head turners, this dynamic silhouette challenges the standards of conventional athletic design. Want high-class disruption and high-fashion world take over? Then smash that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this video. With a TPU, that's thermoplastic polyurethane, jewel piece in the midfoot and heel. For stylish support, the Provoke XT features an aggressive geometric midsole, bold tongue construction, and all-around secure fit. Trust me, these babies right here truly fit snug. Engineered both for cross-training and statement-making, the PUMA Provoke XT mid-sneakers here in a women's size 8.5 in the color Whisper White, Puma Team Gold from Nordstrom's.com at 40% off for $54 with free shipping, excluding taxes, of course. From the original price of $90 is a sneaker of a steel from PUMA that pairs a take no prisoners attitude with the stability and cushioning you need to perform. Featuring a round toe with bumper, pull tab, slip-on closure with 100% synthetic fabric, 1-inch rubber sole, firm ground surface, and contrasting tone gold details. The Provoke's breathable mesh and zone rubber in the tread and ridge TPU on the instep give you a multi-directional traction for climbing ropes, pushing sleds, or sprinting through circuits. Offered in a multitude of styles and colors, too many to name here, with varying prices. For more on selection, check out Puma.com, Macy's.com, Amazon.com, or even Bloomingdale's.com for your choice of selection. Now, y'all know me. I love me some kicks that pop. And while a true badass, I was really stuck in between on these as they come off a little spaceshipy to me. I mean, I love the comfort. My oh my, are these comfortable? Lightweight with seriously responsive pro foam and a removable, let me see if I can remove them with my gloves. A removable cushioned insole, allowing for custom orthotics, which are straight up the business. With the fit almost feeling custom, well snug, but somewhat made to fit your foot, like these pair of gloves. Although not custom fit for me, but they fit like a glove. So the PUMA Provoke XT fit like a glove. Although putting them on was a bit of a challenge, so I would recommend getting maybe a shoehorn. But again, the fit was not so snug that it made you feel insecure, but more secure and in control with not aching to get out of them. Also, they're just so darn cute on. And you can style them with some comfy, cool sweatpants and hoodie and level up your activewear. So you could go simple on top and bold on bottom. So what do you think? That's right, I know. Certifiably SHOEPERFLY a Dubai. I'll just have to do with the spaceshipy look and rock an all white ensemble or something to make it look all fresh and clean to balance all that extraness on bottom. And I'm not talking about my behind. I'm talking about actually the shoes. Here, check them out up close. Did anyone catch or hear about those heel Hitlers by PUMA? Now, before you go canceling me, I'm just talking about that controversy back in March involving PUMA and their new PUMA trainers being mocked for looking like the Nazi leader. So don't blame the messenger. In case you missed it, a pair of designer PUMA trainers sparked a wave of controversy after the shoe design was said to bear an uncanny resemblance to Adolf Hitler. That's right, I said it, Adolf Hitler, PUMA sneaker, looking like the dictator himself. I'm not kidding. PUMA's black, white, and gray Storm Adrenaline women's trainers have been likened to the dictator with the toe and tongue of the PUMA Storm Adrenaline shoes, which by the way retail for $44.99 in the US, being likened to the slicked hairdo and mustache of the Nazi dictator. Images were shared online with one social media user declaring the sneaks 8 out of 10 on the Hitler scale. While that's a punchline way over my head, I'll move on to another, which responded, "That's a good one. I never noticed. I used the shoe twice and never realized it until now. I have gotten rid of it. I've already sold it. With another warning, the comparison was not positive for Puma's brand, adding they would like the company to speak out about the issue. Well, I don't know if it's that serious. Some believed it may have been a publicity stunt while others could see no resemblance. What do you think? Do you think somebody in the factory actually sat down and said, hey, let's design these Storm Adrenaline sneaks like Adolf Hitler? I'm not sure. Maybe it's just one's own perception. So while you're at it, take a look at the other images that I am sharing with you that were likened to Hitler's resemblance with the Storm Adrenaline shoes. And don't forget to smash that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just gonna do it again.